Good evening to all our clients across the globe. This is Freedom from Wilderness Safari. So I've decided, since we're all in the lockdown, I've decided to bring the kitchen to your kitchen or to your home. So today I'm going to be showing a bit about our recipes. I'm going to be cooking a beef stew. I'm going to be cooking African truffled samp and beans. And I'm going to be cooking roasted butternut, biltong and blue cheese salad. So I'm just going to show you a bit of the ingredients that I have. This recipe is for about 4 people. I've got 1 kg of beef stew cubes, which is marinated in red wine overnight. I've got 2 carrots, I've got 2 tomatoes, I've got 1 onion, I've got 2 sticks of leek that has been chopped. I also have garlic, olive oil and the rosemary. This is for our beef stew. And when we move to this side, I'm going to be doing the truffled samp and beans. Samp is a corn that has been chopped a bit and dried. It's similar to Italian risotto, just much better. I'm going to truffle it and I'm going to add a bit of Parmesan cheese to add the flavor. Then I'm going to be doing the roasted butternut, blue cheese and biltong. Biltong is our African cured meat, which has been hanged and dried for about 5 days. Thank you. I hope you'll enjoy it and try it in your kitchen. Hello again. So now I'm going to be starting the cooking process of the beef stew, African beef stew. So the first one, I'm going to saute the onions. You want to make sure your pan is nice and warm. Get them a bit caramelized. You want them to be a little bit brown. And after about 20 seconds, you add your leek. Give it a stir or 2. Let it saute for some time. As you can see or you can hear, it's nice and sizzling. It's slowly getting a bit brownish in color. And then I'm going to add garlic. Give it a stir for about 5 seconds. While the onions are nicely caramelizing, I'm going to then add my beef, which is, the reason I'm adding beef before I add all other vegetables is I want to sear the beef. I want to get that nice searing color in it. You can hear it sizzling. I've thrown a piece of rosemary in there, just for the flavor while I'm sauteing the beef. You give it about 2 minutes while the beef is searing, because you want to create that nice crust on the outside, which then adds the taste and the flavor of the burnt part of the beef cubes. Then I'm going to start adding the tomatoes. And then I'm going to add the carrots. And I'll add 1 sprig of rosemary. I won't break it because all I want is the flavor of it. I don't want it to cook to be part of the stew. And then I'll let it sear for about 2 minutes or 3. I'm loving the smell. So I haven't added any liquid. The first liquid I'm going to add before I start seasoning it is the best part, which is red wine. I would prefer Merlot or a Chardonnay, Merlot or Shiraz, nice dry red wine. Give that a bit of a stir, and it's starting to simmer already. Then I'm going to add all my 1 liter of stock, and then I'm going to leave it for about 4 to 5 hours just to simmer at a very low temperature. That is my stock right there. I prefer to use vegetable stock, but other people can use beef since we're doing a beef stew. But yeah, I prefer vegetable stock. And now we've got about 5 hours of waiting. It's gonna simmer at a very low temperature for about 5 hours. Thank you. Back from the break, the beef has been cooking for about 4 hours in the stove, and it's getting hot in this kitchen. So this is the final product of the beef. It's nice and steamy and hearty, good for those cold weathers. I'm just gonna show you when I plate it, just so you see the texture, just so you see the final product. This is the best stew for a nice cold weather. And I'm just gonna throw the rosemary on it, and that's about it. And then next to the beef, I've got the samp and beans, which I've been cooking for about 5 hours as well. It's all hearty winter dishes, so they take quite some time to cook. We actually braise them in the stove. So I'm gonna plate it as well. The best part about this samp and beans is once you're done with it, you just drizzle a little bit of truffle oil, or if you've got fresh truffles, you just shave a little bit of them and sprinkle on top. And once you're done, you finish it with Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, and it completes the dish. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese to finish it off. Then I'm gonna throw a bit of greens to keep it healthy. These are microgreens from our local farmer just around the corner. These are our two hearty dishes that we spoke about during the day. And then I'm gonna move to the other side, which is our roasted butternut, blue cheese, biltong salad. I've toasted a little bit of cashew nuts that I've chopped them a bit. This is the final product. The dressing is fennel and sesame vinaigrette. Thank you. I hope you'll enjoy the dishes, and please send me the samples to Africa. Until we meet again.